Hi everybody, you know I am. CANNABEARD Grows here. How the heck are you? I hope you're well. Standing here beside one of my MARSHYDRO tents. As you may or may not have known, I've been sponsored by MARSHYDRO, in some manner of speaking, for about 2 years now. And it's been a pretty mighty good relationship. And as you might know if you know me very well, if you've been watching the show for any length of time, I don't promote shit I don't use. I don't promote shit I don't like. And if I don't like it, I tell you the truth. And the reality is, I like MARSHYDRO as a product, as a company. I love their lights. Their tents are good. Their product so far, been all pretty good. Everything I've tested so far has been good. Regardless, this episode has been brought to you by MARSHYDRO, of course. Here's my code. Use my code right here. If you want to get any of these awesome Mars products yourself, use my code. Go directly to their website. Use the direct links. Or if you're going to buy from Amazon, make sure you're buying from MARSHYDRO as a seller and not from some reseller. Otherwise, you're not going to get the discount code. It's not going to work. Anyway, how would you guys like a free light? One of my favorite lights. I'm going to give you one of these things. Let me show you what I'm talking about right here. So, in this tent behind me here is one of my all-time favorite MARSHYDRO lights that they've got on their shop right now. This is the FC3000. This is an absolute beauty. You can remove this, the power supply and dimmer switch, and put it, on top of your tent or something to keep the heat out of your tent and just keep the light in here directly. It's lightweight, it's small, and it is a powerhouse. I've honestly had to turn this thing down. This is 100% right here, and this is like the lowest. I honestly ran this light at between 50% and probably about 75% most of the time when I was using it. It is a good light. It is more powerful than it looks, and I've grown some very nice stuff onto this. Anyway, I've got a brand new one of these in a box. They sent me a brand new one in the box, and I'm going to give it away to you. That's right, you. You know who you are. You're going to win it. But here's what I need you to do to win this light. Or one of these lights, rather. Not this one. This isn't mine. I'm keeping this one. You get the brand new one. But here's what you got to do. To properly enter for this contest, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is be a subscriber of my main channel, as well as my gaming channel right here. These are both of the channels. I'll leave all the links below in a nice little package so you guys can check it out and make sure that you enter properly. And to actually enter, besides being subscribed to those two channels, is all I need you to do is go back to one of my old videos and comment something on it. It can be any video you want. Just make a comment on the video about said video. Make something relevant about the video, and I'm going to be going through and sorting by a certain date, and I will pick all entries or all new comments as entries for this. I'm going to wait a few days. I'll wait like a week. That's what I'll do. I'll wait 1 week. So I'll just put the date right here and make it easier on you guys. This is when I'm going to do the giveaway. This is when I'll actually pick and pull the name. But once again, to enter, all you need to do is go and find one of my old videos and comment on it. And yes, you can comment and enter multiple times. There is nothing stopping you from going back and watching many of my old videos and commenting on them. But make sure you hit that like button on the video. Make sure you liked it and you're subscribed and all that shit like that. And yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going through and filtering new comments from the date that this video gets posted until the day I pull the name. So that's all you got to do to be entered. Just subscribe to these two channels right here and go find some of my old videos and comment on them. And you're entered. You can enter as many times as you want. Simple. One more thing that you need to be aware of. I'm not paying the shipping for this because I physically have the light. Mars sent it to me rather than sending it straight to the winner. So I am not going to pay the shipping fee. That's going to be up to you. But I'll tell you right now, depending on where you live in the world, it'll be between like $40, maybe $60. Probably not very much considering how much this light is actually worth. Anyway, folks, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, here, I could probably turn around for this. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoy hanging out with me here. I hope you enjoy all the shows that I've been doing. Hope you enjoyed me growing with all my Mars Hydro gear, because I know I sure have. Once again, thank you very much, Mars Hydro. I look forward to another 2 years of a good relationship. Mwah, I love you. Anyway, if you want to love them too, make sure you enter this contest right here, and then you can get one of my favorite fucking lights. Man, check it out. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, all that fucking YouTube action. I think I already said that, but, you know, it's the end of the thing. And I'm bad at these endings, so I'm just gonna go. Thank you, Patreon members. Roll credits.